Hello, in this video I will show you how you can use QIK.com in your mobile. First of all, you need to go to menu option, then go to installation, install, then you will find QIK option or QIK icon in this screen. Now you can click on QIK, and once you click on QIK, then it will automatically start searching your internet connections, the Wi-Fi connections which you have, or the GPRS. Then you can select the internet connection, and then I will provide the wireless LAN key 231230, and I will click on or press OK button. Now you can see it's connecting via wireless, and now it says sign in. Now once I press this menu button, it will start recording and it will automatically start going on my QIK.com Umar Sheikh account, and anyone can open that link and check the videos. Thank you.